One-brain dual control. In traditional automated production, independent control of machine tools and robots leads to poor collaboration, low precision, and high costs, making it difficult to meet high-efficiency production demands. The one-brain dual control adopts multi-axis, multi-channel technology, one channel controlling machine and another managing robot for loading or unloading, to enable collaborative control between machine and robot. This significantly enhances production efficiency while reducing costs of a separate robot controller. Its core features include dual-channel collaborative operation, integrated modular programming, visualized material bin management and auto tray alignment, space protection and motion simulation, and smart empty gripper detection and leapfrog function. Users can activate the function by setting parameters such as material pickup position, material reloading position, and safe path in the robot interface, as well as establishing proper interaction between machine channels processing program and robot channels operation program. This function solves the collaboration challenges of traditional automation while maintaining cost advantages, empowering manufacturers to upgrade toward intelligent production.